Hello, this video is about purchasing power parity and purchasing power index, the methodology behind it, and the applications for it. This is a group project for Economics 203. What is purchasing power parity? Purchasing power parity is the idea that identical products should have identical values at a ceteris paribus. For example, a TV should cost the same in America as in China after money conversion, assuming that the product is the exact same quality. However, PPP more often than not does not hold in the real world. For example, in China, the Model Y Tesla costs $50,000, while in America it is $43,000. So it's fairly obvious to see that even though it's identical, it's not the same price. PPP does not hold well in the real world. There's many reasons why PPP does not hold. One of it, which is inflation rates. The inflation rates differ between countries, causing price levels to change at different times, while exchange rate exchange rate movements can be influenced by interest rate, speculative trading, and government policy. For example, China keeps its the value of the RMB, the currency of China, and the dollar, 7 RMB per dollar. So because it makes it cheaper for Americans to buy Chinese products, in order to increase their GDP. So the PPP does not hold in China, while also tariffs and trade barriers also makes it so that PPP does not hold because tariffs make it more expensive to import goods, and trade barriers, for example, having to cross a mountain to deliver goods makes it so that you need to pay more, because it's significantly difficult or challenging to trade there. And price of services that aren't really tradable or comparable across countries makes PPP difficult. For example, if there's a medical treatment in Georgia, like the country Georgia, but it's not available anywhere else, it's pretty difficult to find the purchasing power parity if it only exists in Georgia, for example, or if like finding plastic surgery options in South Korea. They have the best in the world, so it's fairly difficult to measure the PPP in plastic surgery in Korea versus in America, for example. The solution to this, economics and researchers have developed the purchasing parity index, the purchasing power index, or PPI. What is PPI? PPI calculates the purchasing power of currencies based on the basket of goods and services commonly consumed by households. It accounts for differences in price levels and inflation rates among countries. The Why does it matter? The application of PPI has several important applications in economics and finance. For example, it helps expatriates and international business professionals assist cost of living when relocating to different countries, while businessmen seeking like trading and moving factories can find the PPI of different countries very useful in order to determine where they should set up shop in order to spend the least amount of money in their production. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.